Athaki matanyiheire 20 umuthi ni manyitire itemi mehariririni ma timu ya bururi Harambee Stars ita njira ya gwithagathaga mbere ya ngucanio ya gucokerana na bururi wa Ghana muthi wa Jumamothi kiumia giki ihuritwo mwaki. Gukiri uguo nyabara Sebastian Minye ni ateteire murugamo wake wigimainie na muthaki Christopher Bamba urio thakagira bururi-ini wa Sweden, kiuga kumukuruhania na timu ino ni gugakorwo na umithio munene kuona amwe a athaki aria metitwo kambeini ya mehaririria matina korwo magikinyia.
Christopher Bamba accept to come. He want to come. He want to show me his quality, and he show us from yesterday some qualities. We are on the way to regularize his documentation.
Oho Minye ni oritie thirikari gutigirira kigina kiria yeranire ni kiarekererio niguo kuhe timu ino mweke mwega wa mehaririria mbere ya ngucanio ici cihuritwo mwaki mweri-ini wa gatandatu.
I think now we need to have a support of the government, maybe some company also. Without it, it will be difficult to compete. It's the reality. In the high level, without money, yes, you can do something one time. We did it. But
muthaki Masud Juma niwe wirigirirwo kuiyuria ithenya ria muthaki Michael Olunga urio tanahota kunyitanira na timu ino ona gutuika Harambee Stars ni marikitie kwigatira tigiti mbitikaini cia Afcon.